Okay, so here's how we maintain a room temperature of, let's say, 68 degrees. That's what we call the set point. Some of you folks want to keep your homes a little warmer, a little colder. You just change the set point. So let's go with 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The set point is the temperature at which we would like to keep our house at constantly, okay? Anything above this dotted line means our temperature is rising and we need to fix the problem. Anything below the dotted line means the temperature inside our homes is dropping and we'd like to fix that problem, okay? So let's go with too high first. So let's say we have the temperature set at 68 degrees, but it's getting warmer inside the house. And we're going to have sensors that pick up that information. They're going to send impulses, so like electrical impulses, to some sort of control center. The control center is going to take a look at those electrical impulses and decide what to do. So then the control center, after having integrated all that information and realized that it's getting too warm in here, is going to send electrical impulses away from the control center to try to fix the problem. And in order to do that, we're going to turn on the air conditioning. That's what a plus with a circle around it means. And we have to make sure that the heat is turned off at the same time, because it's kind of silly to have the air conditioning on and the heat on at the same time. So to fix the problem, we're going to crank up the AC, and that should bring our temperature down to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, conversely, let's say it's a cold day and the temperature inside our home is dropping. So the sensor, same sensor, is going to pick up that information. The sensor doesn't know what to do with the information, so it's going to send electrical impulses to the control center. The control center is going to integrate those impulses and decide that it's too cold in the home, and the control center is going to send electrical impulses to go fix the problem. In this case, we're going to turn off the air conditioning and turn on the heat. It's important that we do both, okay? Because as I said up here, it's silly to have the heat and the air conditioning on at the same time. So if we turn off the AC, turn up the heat, we should get back up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, in either one of these loops, if we haven't gotten back up to 68, we're just going to keep on going around and around and around until we hit 68, whether it's too cold or too hot. Okay? Essentially, the top portion of this diagram, of the high-low diagram, is a mirror image of the bottom portion. Please pay attention to the labels that are in boxes. Okay? And please pay attention to the direction of the arrows. These are one-way pathways, okay? And in all circumstances, fixing the problem up here is going to involve doing the opposite as fixing the problem down here. So up here, we're going to turn on the AC. Down here, we're going to turn it off. Up here, we're going to turn off the heat. Down here, we're going to turn it on. Okay? That's maintaining room temperature.